My name is Rick Gorbett from Camping World of Tyler. This is a tour of our 2015 Lance 850 truck camper. This camper is about 18 feet long, weighs 2,500 pounds and sleeps 5, so it will require a 3/4 to 1 ton truck with an 8-foot long bed. We just received this in on trade. It is a beautiful, very clean 4-season truck camper with enclosed, heated, and insulated holding tanks. This camper features fat ladder and anodized Maggie rack, fully walk-on roof and the Lance roof rack, expandable diamond plated steps, remote controlled power electric jacks, exterior Bluetooth patio speakers, LED patio lights outside, Lumalux 4000 high gloss fiberglass with aluminum framing, laminated fiberglass foam bonded exterior walls, and one-piece formed cab over front cab. Framed and tinted dual pane windows throughout. 2 5-gallon propane tanks in that bottom compartment. 6-gallon water heater. Outdoor shower. Large underneath storage area. A 10-foot manual awning over the rear door. As we are going in, you will notice the keyless entry. Nice U-shaped dinette with reversible cushions. Sleeps 2 adults. Day-night shades. Overhead cabinet bunk that easily pulls down, perfect for a child or for extra storage. Stainless Norcode 6 cubic foot 3-way refrigerator, larger than most travel trailers. The deep pull-out pantry for your dry goods. And the cab over features queen size bed, good storage all the way around, front hamper, day night shades for extra privacy, LED reading lights on either side of the bed, 19-inch LED 12-volt TV. And the kitchen features hardwood framed cabinet doors, black microwave, Vent-A-Hood, 3-burner black gas stove with an oven, double sink with pull-out faucet and solid surface countertops. And the wardrobe area features nice hanging space with the door underneath, the LED wardrobe light. And the back door has a pull-down roller shade for extra privacy. Bathroom features a sliding door for more space, 1-piece seamless wet bath, power vent exhaust fan, skylight, and a closet rod. Just above is a nice dual pane skylight, the ducted AC and furnace. Financing is always available for solid credit and trades are always welcome. If you would like more information, please give me a call, 903-330-7224, or you can visit our website at campingworldoftyler.com.